How to set up Twitch panels. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to set up Twitch panels. So this is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So as you can see here, I actually have my Canva application simply opened, and I have actually created some panels for my Twitch account. So as you can see, I actually prefer Canva compared to other platforms since I'm already familiar with it, and I would want to make use of my creativity and edit it using the elements here in Canva. So here are the panels that I have created or that Canva basically had a default. Now here, let's download the panels that we have simply created, and then go to the share and download. Make sure that the file type is in PNG or JPG form. Now, what I suggest is that when you are actually saving pictures in Canva, save it one by one instead of saving it as a group or in all pages, because what I have experienced is that it goes into a zip file, which is way more difficult to get right into. So there, simply repeat the process. And for this video, I'm just gonna show you about like 2 pages of the template or the panel that I have actually created from Canva. Okay, now once everything has been downloaded, let's go to our Twitch account and make sure that you have signed into your Twitch account. So here in our Twitch, go to the upper right hand corner and then click on it. Now go to the channel section, and here in your channel, what you're going to do is to go to the about section of your channel. Now when you're in your about section, you can actually see here edit panels, and there's actually an enable disable button. Simply click on this one to enable editing the panels. And then if you scroll down, there are actually like templates that you can make use of. But as for me, I use Canva already. So there's like a free animated template panel, timeline, and just click on the activate if you want to make use of that one. So here I'm going to simply click on the plus icon, and then there's add a text or image panel. So click on that one afterwards. And then you just need to add a panel title, add an image. So there. And then say for example, we're gonna use the first design that we have, about me. Click on done. And then there you just need to input your image link to. Say for example, you want to have like a YouTube video of your about section or like introduction for people to know you best, and then you could also add a description right there and hit on submit. Now if you want to add an extension panel, you can actually do so. Just click on the extension panel, and then you have your extension manager. But for this video, I'm going to remove that one. And there, if you want to add another panel, you could also click on the add panel section. All right, so let's just add the other photo that we have had a while ago. Okay, there. Click on done, and then simply repeat the process. And basically that's about it for today's video. I hope that you have learned something, and thank you so much for watching.